Most people doing affiliate marketing in 2026 are still using a method that stopped working years ago. Here's what's actually working right now. So let me start with my number one recommendation. And this is the one I have personal proof with. So with an ecosystem, you have everything built in already. So what makes OLSP different from just promoting a random affiliate product? So with OLSP, everything is already built for you. The opt-in pages, the follow-up, emails, the training, it's all done. So you don't need to build a funnel, write emails, or create any content for the system itself. So your only job is to promote one single link. And when someone clicks that link and joins, OLSP takes over. They follow up with your referral for you, and they do the selling for you. And you get paid not just when someone joins, but also when they attend a webinar or a live training. So one referral can generate multiple commissions over time without you doing any additional work. So for a complete beginner, this is huge. You don't need a website, you don't need a funnel, you don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to get people to click your link, and OLSP handles the rest. So I want to show you something real. And these are my actual commission results from OLSP. So as you can see, I've personally earned over $1,000 in commissions from this one platform. Now this isn't a theoretical number, this is real money from a $7 entry point. And the reason it works is that OLSP isn't just a single product, it's a full ecosystem. Which means once someone joins through your link, there are multiple opportunities to earn beyond that first commission. Now recently, OLSP has been moving over to a new platform. And you can see here, I'm already earning from the new updated version 2. Now here's a couple of other platforms that I personally use and promote. System.io and GetResponse. Now these aren't random picks, these are tools I actually use in my own business, and they both have recurring commission structures built in. So System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform with funnels, email, automation, and courses all under one roof. It's free to join as a user and free to promote as an affiliate. For beginners, it's one of the easiest tools to recommend because there's no barrier to entry. And also GetResponse, this is the email marketing platform I use personally to manage my own follow-up sequences. Which brings me to something important I want to cover next. So this is where most beginners start, and it's where they get stuck. So you'll see people dropping affiliate links in Facebook groups, spamming comments everywhere, and posting things like, check this out, and then they'll post a raw link. So at first it feels like you're doing something, but nothing actually happens. So why is this? It's because there's no context and no trust. And from the viewer's side, it just looks like another random person trying to sell me something. So they just scroll past. Or worse, platforms limit your reach, posts get ignored, and accounts get flagged. So how do we make the shift? Well, instead of posting, here's a link, try something like this. Here's something useful. And then later, if you want more, here's what I use. You see, that small shift changes everything. You're not removing links, you're earning the click instead of forcing it. Now this one is sneaky because it looks like it works. You see, someone goes viral and they get thousands of views, maybe a few clicks, and you think, that's the goal, I just need a viral post. But here's the problem. Viral does not equal consistent income. So you can get 10,000 views today and then nothing for the next 2 weeks. No predictability, no control. If your whole strategy depends on going viral, you really don't have a strategy. So what actually works better is small, consistent traffic. Maybe something like 10 views a day, 20 views a day, but everything's targeted. These people are interested, they understand what you're saying, and they're more likely to click later. So this smaller traffic, it's actually slower, but it compounds. Now, this is the biggest one, and it's where most people fall apart. So let's say you do get some traffic from clicks from YouTube, Pinterest views, or even email opens. So what happens next? Well, for most people, nothing. It's just a click to a product page and just hope that they buy. That's it. Most people don't have a traffic problem, they have a system problem. So what's missing? Well, there's no way to capture the visitor, there's no way to follow up, and there's no way to build familiarity. So if they don't buy immediately, they're gone forever. So what we do is we build a system where we capture their email address and we build an email list. So first we need some traffic. That could be paid traffic or free traffic, and we send that traffic to an opt-in page. And it's here where we give something away for free in exchange for their email address. And once we've got them on our email list, we can then automatically send out emails to them. Now they can go out daily, weekly, however you want to do them. But we send out those emails, and in those emails we can add a link to our offer. So we're giving value in those emails, but we're also promoting our product. So we want to build an email list of subscribers so we can follow up with them until basically they unsubscribe. So you're not losing people instantly by sending them directly to a sales page. You're building trust over time in your emails, and one click can turn into multiple chances. So instead of hoping that somebody buys the first time they see your link, you're actually giving them a reason to come back. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing in 2026 doesn't have to be complicated. One link, done for you follow up, tools that keep paying you month after month. That's the system. Everything I've mentioned today, OLSP, System.io, GetResponse, are all linked in the description below and in my profile. They're all free or low cost to get started, so there's really no excuse not to take a look today. So if you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up because it genuinely helps more people find this content. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next video.